Welcome to this look back at the 17th Annual Applied Ergonomics Conference, which took place March 24th through the 27th at the Hilton Orlando in Orlando, Florida. Professional and student attendees from more than a dozen countries took part in more than 90 sessions and multiple networking events with their industry peers, taking in the opportunities to share best practices in ergonomics, healthcare, safety, human factors, and risk management. Attendees also had the chance to participate in pre-conference workshops and facility tours at the Kennedy Space Center and Walt Disney World, as well as visit with exhibitors from top ergonomics and human factors organizations and university programs. As it is every year, the world-renowned Ergo Cup competition brought finalists to Orlando to demonstrate their innovations and talk with attendees about how they developed workplace solutions in ergonomics and human factors. At the end of this video, you'll see who won the 4 categories for the 2014 Ergo Cup.
So what we did is created a team of hourly employees, our ergonomist, our vendor, and the safety department, and said, the concept of a hiking bag, let's do that on this bag. So what we did is we made the foam much thicker. We attached it to the bag so for stability. We added a torso support, and for comfort, we also have tools that go in here so we don't want the tools digging into your back. And then most importantly, we added a waist strap, a padded waist strap.
What we have is, our issue was in the deburr process of this part. This part is one of 5 engine shafts that we have of various sizes, all of them weighing over 100 pounds. When the operators would load these onto their workbench by a crane or either an assisted lift, they had a really hard time maneuvering the part around, trying to deburr all these little small features in there. A lot of sharp edges and a lot of burrs that were left on there that they had to deburr by hand. And there was a lot of poor postures, bending over and reaching, neck bends, back bends, and just maneuvering the 100+ pound part all around the workbench.
To activate our machine, we put an ergonomically friendly lower and raise lift assist so our associates don't have to manually lift and lower this lid. Once it's in place, we have 2-hand safety controls to keep our associates' hands out of any pinch points. Once the machine is activated, all 3 steps are done in a matter of 8 seconds.
Keynote presentations are also a highlight of this annual event. This year's keynote speakers were Brooks Kimmel, who works in technical training and employee development at NASA, and Dr. Colin Drury, Distinguished Professor Emeritus at University at Buffalo, SUNY. On March 25th, Kimmel took the stage to explain how ergonomics tools and methods developed at NASA have played a role in improving quality of life and even saving lives outside of NASA.
So our agency commitment. We have 8 different facilities now that we have specifically set up and designed and geared toward human factors and ergonomics studies that we put all that information together, and that's how we drive our different documents. You have the Habitability Design Center. It's a design for cost-effective, lasting quality products for space use. We have the Usability Testing and Analysis Facility. That's a human-centered design of usability in space. It really, that whole part is looking at how things are actually used in space.
And on March 26th, Dr. Drury discussed the idea of designing for the whole person by addressing practical issues that employees face daily.
But when you go into a new situation, you're not really quite sure what to expect. You don't quite know what the problems are going to be when you get there. And they may not be the problems that the management has got you in there to look at, or the union, or whoever has stuck you in there. It may not be the same problem. And this is one of the issues that I got into. I ran a centre at the university, concerned basically with keeping jobs, making sure that companies were profitable enough to stay around Buffalo and not move offshore somewhere.
The The Ergo Quiz Bowl was another popular event at the Applied Ergonomics Conference. In this Ultimate Ergo Challenge, attendees were invited to be contestants or spectators in a fast-paced quiz game. 4 teams tested their knowledge in a tournament of ergonomics facts, fiction, and folklore.
Okay, question 2, true or false? Thoracic outlet syndrome is considered to be a tendon-related disorder. True. Incorrect. I will restate the question. Thoracic outlet syndrome is considered to be a tendon-related disorder.
False.
Yes, it is. It's considered to be a nerve-related disorder, not a tendon-related disorder. Okay.
And the conference week came to a close with the Honors and Awards Luncheon, where several attendees were recognized for their research and contributions to the ergo community. Here is a list of winners for the Excellence in Ergonomics Awards, which were voted on by attendees. Here are the recipients of the Creativeness in Ergonomics Awards for both Practitioner of the Year and Student of the Year. And here are the winners of the 4 Ergo Cup categories for 2014. We hope to see even more attendees next year, so share this video online and save the date for the 18th Annual Applied Ergonomics Conference, March 16th through the 19th, 2015 in Nashville, Tennessee.